Hi, I'm Owen Sweeney. Welcome back. When we left you the last time, we had been talking about geolocation, about confirming the location of a piece of content, whether a photo or a video. And we gave you a little challenge. Now I'm going to show you how I would have solved it. So the challenge was to look at this video, which we provided a link to, and to confirm that the location of the video was indeed where it said it was. Then we asked you to post us a screen grab of the street view to show that you had found it on the map and that you were in the right area. Now, as I've said before, you don't want to get obsessed with immediately looking at the video or photo and trying to pick out things you recognize. First of all, see if there is text that will help you take a shortcut. So in this case, you see the caption says in Yangon, and down below in the description, it mentions at Ledan Center. It's important to pick out details that you think will be visible to you also if you get into a street view. So when you go through this video, you can see this quite distinctive elevated road. Then there's a round glass-sided building, which also should be quite distinctive. And toward the end of the video, you can see people are sitting under some kind of a canopy or shelter. So first of all, you need to get into the general area. Well, it has told you that it's in Yangon, so you just simply search that on Google Maps, and that will take you to the city of Yangon. Once you're there, you can get in closer. Search for Ledan Center. Again, this was mentioned in the description of the video. So if we search for that, we find it here. If we then turn on satellite view and street view, the good thing now we can see is there's quite a bit of blue lighting up. Not a huge amount, but it is around the area where we need it to be. If you turn off the labels at this point, you can get a better view of what looks like a very distinctive elevated road and also a round building. So things are looking good at this point. If you then click in on those areas where the street view is available, you may not immediately get the right spot. It may take you a few tries when you get in there. But once you get in and start panning around in the street view, you can pick out some very good details. So here's a view of the elevated road in the video. And here's what you can get in the street view. Now, elevated roads are not uncommon, so you're going to need more than just that. But when you pan around, in exactly the same way that the video does, here's the view from the video again. You've got the round-sided glass building, and you've got the canopy. Here's the building in street view. Again, you can see where it is in relation to the elevated road, so that's the same as in the video. You continue to pan around to the left from the round building, and you can see that canopy over the doorway of the Ledan Center. So this is easily enough to be able to say that, yes, that is the right spot. And if you've supplied us with any similar screen grabs to these, then well done. Congratulations, you've solved it. I hope you enjoyed that one as much as I usually do. Thank you for being part of it, and we'll see you again.